In this session, we are going to learn 26th structure, a new structure, 26th structure. Let's see what the structure is. The structure is I'll help you. I'll help you. After I'll help you, we have to use V1, the first form of the verb. I'll help you plus V1 plus something. This is the structure. Now let's see the usage of this structure, how we can use this in our daily life. Okay, the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express to offer an assistance to someone. An assistance This structure is used to express to offer an assistance to someone, which means you are voluntarily offering your assistance to someone. Means that you are ready to give your assistance, your help to someone. Okay, now let's see some examples. Okay, I'll help you move the furniture. I'll help you move the furniture. Actually, the other person who is not able to move the furniture. That's why you are offering your service, that you would like to give your assistance to that person. Okay, then we can say, I'll help you move the furniture. Next, I'll help you with your homework. Here, you might have found that the person who is not able to do his homework. That's why you want to give assistance to that person. In this sense, you can say like this, I'll help you with your homework. Okay, fine. Next, I'll help you find a job. I'll help you find a job. So here also the person whom you found that is not able to find a job. He is in search of job. So here you would like to help him. Then you can say, in that sense, you can say, I'll help you find a job. Okay, after I'll help you, we have to use the first form of the verb, which means V1. Okay, now I'll help you prepare for the exam. Next, I'll help you clean the house. I'll help you plan your trip. I'll help you decorate your room. I'll help you bake a cake. Means the other person who is not able to bake a cake, he doesn't know how to bake it. So voluntarily you would like to help him. Then you can say like this. In that sense, I'll help you bake a cake. Okay, fine. Next, I'll help you paint the walls. I'll help you whatever you want. Sorry, here this is another structure. I'll help you do your work. Next, I'll help you do your workouts. I'll help you set up your business. I'll help you repair your car. I'll help you write your resume. I'll help you practice for the interview. I'll help you learn how to cook. I'll help you build a new blog. I'll help you develop your business. I'll help you take the best decision. I'll help you learn. I'll help you learn how to do yoga. I'll help you achieve your goals. I'll help you improve your communication skills. I'll help you strengthen your relationship. I help you strengthen your relationship. I'll help you understand the complex problem. I'll help you achieve your dreams. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the new session.